everybody, my name is Natalie Morales. I am from Fairfax, Virginia. I'm attending the Diversity Pre-Law Conference and I am having a great time. I'm learning more about the prospective colleges that I want to apply to for law school and more information about financial aid.
My name is Kelsey Wilkerson. I'm from the University of Texas at Austin, and I thought the conference was amazing. I've met so many people to network with and to build my network. I've met so many people to help me with the law school process. I think it was so beneficial because now I know what to expect during law school, before law school, the LSAT, everything. I definitely think you should attend if you get the chance, and it was awesome.
I mean, the panelists were very great. They really know what they're talking about, and I just get out here with a lot of information. I mean, very critical and important information that I take with me home, and I'm pretty sure that next summer I will get into a law school to start my career.
Hi, I'm Torian McRae from Kingstree, South Carolina. The conference was again an amazing experience for me. It's my second time attending. This time I worked as a volunteer. Last year was my first time attending the conference, and it provided me with a wealth of information regarding law school. I didn't know any attorneys. I wasn't familiar with the process of getting into school, and I wasn't really familiar with the process of course, being a law student. And this time, a year later, and actually getting to the end of my first year, it was interesting to see how I've learned some of the concepts and how helpful it was being an attendee the year before, because I really applied what I learned. I realized the importance of networking, of course, and it was great being able to meet some of the panelists, even some of the other attendees, and just really having those engaging discussions and gaining that type of insight. So it was, again, an amazing experience, and I'd recommend it to anyone. This conference can really be a life-changing event for people.
I'm Julian Boykin. I'm from Jackson, Mississippi. This is my first time at the National Pre-Law Diversity Conference. It was great, very informational. What I learned from the conference is more than just the law fair. I liked how everything was set up, from resume preparation all the way to what really matters in law school.
I would tell people who are indecisive about law school that when a passion and a career meet, it's one of the most beautiful things that can happen. And if you come to this conference, you'll be able to really secure your life choices if you want to become a lawyer. You're going to hear incredible stories about social justice, advocacy, and how passionate you can be and how law can really help you unravel that passion.
Hello, I am Taishinka Kimbrough, and I am from Texas. I'm actually a student at Texas State University, and I absolutely love the second annual National Diversity Pre-Law Conference. Ms. Mitchell put so much time and effort into this conference, and all of the aspiring students could definitely tell. I met so many different law school admissions directors, pre-law students, different judges, people who are working in the legal fields, and I feel like I can definitely succeed in law school with all the advice they gave me. I also feel like I have a strong network of people to depend on in the future as well.
I think it's wonderful. I think it's amazing. There's so many people here. There's so many passionate, awesome people here. There's a lot of people who are really driven, who know what they want, who've decided that they're going to law school. I think in the conference, they even in the one of the panels, they mentioned that one of the students was in high school. That's incredible. So I'm having an amazing time.
The fair was good. I enjoyed the interaction, the availability of information, and I look forward to the rest of the events.
Going to a conference, it will enlighten you of future opportunities, what is available, and it's a great way to network, meet new people, and who knows, probably going to meet the people that will make that decision of accepting you or not accepting you to law school.
My name is Julius Graham. I'm a junior at the University of North Carolina at Charlotte. The conference for me was a great networking opportunity for me to meet people that I wouldn't normally get the opportunity to meet in my normal everyday life. Coming to DC was the best decision I've ever made because I've made long-lasting relationships with students from all over the country, and I've developed mentors from the conference that I can call on for any reason whatsoever. And I feel that the conference is just one big family atmosphere that anyone can be prosperous with.
This event was so momentous, so much thought leadership happened. The amount of information exchanged, the lives impacted of pre-law students to help propel them towards pursuing careers in law school and pursuing educational pursuits, as well as becoming attorneys towards social impact, patent and intellectual property law, tort law, court systems, child advocacy. So much empowerment information was discussed and transpired here on this evening.
Hi, my name is Darnell Hobson. I'm from Kennesaw, Georgia. To me, the conference was so powerful. Everything about the conference, I met so many connections. It put that fire back into me to want to be a lawyer. I had some situations where sometimes I felt as though I couldn't do possible things, but because of this experience, it gave me that fire to want to do more.
When I first wanted to become an attorney over 10 years ago, I was introduced to Evangeline Mitchell then through her organization, the National Future Black Lawyers Association, and I joined then, not ever seeing her face or knowing anything else about her other than creating a community of young aspiring lawyers over 10 years ago. And here I am today, standing here towards the end of her conference and really just seeing the fruits of her labor for over the past 10 years and working tirelessly to get more and more law students of color into law school. And so I'm just honored to be here and privileged to support her efforts as a comrade amongst this issue of getting more attorneys of color in the bar.
Hi, my name is Lakeisha Skinner, and I am from Crawford, Mississippi. And I really enjoyed my time at the conference. I really enjoyed touring the Supreme Court. It's always been my dream to come to Washington, D.C., and I feel like I finally paved the way for myself.
Hi, my name is Sarah Adiana Sini, and I'm here at the Diversity Pre-Law Conference, and I'm having an amazing time. We just visited the Supreme Court, and I think it'd be really great if you can come next year. Thank you. Bye-bye.